Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up email encryption using Outlook S MIME, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up email encryption using Outlook S MIME, start by obtaining a digital certificate. Visit a trusted certificate authority to request a personal certificate. Fill out the required information and follow their instructions to complete the request. After receiving your digital certificate, install it on your computer. Open the certificate file after downloading to begin installation. Follow the prompts of the certificate import wizard, selecting current user when asked about the store location. Once the installation is complete, open Microsoft Outlook. Navigate to the File menu at the top left of the Outlook window. Select Options from the sidebar. In the Options window, click on Trust Center. Then click on Trust Center Settings to access further options. In the Trust Center dialog, choose Email Security from the left pane. Under Encrypted Email, click on Get a Digital ID. This leads you to the option to choose your installed certificate. Click on Choose to select your newly installed digital certificate. Check the boxes for Encrypt contents and attachments for outgoing messages and add digital signature to outgoing messages. Click OK to save these settings. Next, compose a new email in Outlook. In the Message window, go to the Options tab. Click on the Encrypt button to encrypt the email. You can also choose Sign if you want to add a digital signature. Complete your email message and add your recipient's email address. After finishing your composition, hit Send to deliver your encrypted email. To decrypt any encrypted emails you receive, simply open the email as you normally would. Outlook will automatically decrypt messages that are encrypted and sent to you by other users with your public key. Make sure your digital certificate is always up to date for seamless email encryption. Now you've successfully set up email encryption using Outlook S MIME. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.